Oh, glad you made it. Carl Smithers here. Come on in. Come on in. I got my gun here. I'm all ready. About time you showed up. I was getting ready to go on the guy looking for it. Okay. You may have noticed. Glad you guys made it. Today, special session with Carl Smithers. Right here in my backyard, I got myself extraordinarily rare species of bird, the spotting bird of lore. Now, I'm gonna take my here BB gun. I got. Sorry about that, folks. My trank BB gun got stuck in my holster. Anyways, I got my trank BBs all loaded up in here. You see? Okay, I got the spotting bird. It's out there. Feeding time is past. It's pretty much napping. It's low spotting session. I'm gonna go out there with my trank BB guns, and then it's gonna fall right out of that tree. I'm gonna get my little net that won't harm the little sucker. Don't worry about. I'm gonna throw a little net. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, grab it. I'm gonna take it all down to Wild Park. So, oh God, I can go see what's over there. Are you ready? Let's go. Over yonder, in the trees. Yes. I think I got him. Oh, put him on. Oh yeah. Carl Smithers here, signing off. I caught the spotting bird. I'm gonna bring this sucker back on back to Wild Park. I want to get out of here.